The smallest number that you can get by rolling 3 standard dice and adding the scores is going to be 3 if you got 1, 1, and 1. And meanwhile, the highest will be if you get 6, 6, and 6, so 18. And it is possible to get every single score between. You get 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, and so on, and then just increment them. So I'm not going to write them all down, but hopefully you can see that. So how many are there in total? Well, it's actually 18 minus 3, but then you have to add 1 because you want to include both of them. So that gives 16. Another way to think about it is like we've got from 1 to 18, but then I don't want to include 1 and 2, so actually I need to subtract 2. So that's why it kind of works that you subtract the one that you actually want, then you have to add 1 on to include it. It's a bit confusing, to be fair, and worth making sure that you're happy with this sort of idea. If we didn't want to include either one, then actually we do 18 minus 3 minus 1. There's certain rules that work. And if you just wanted to include one of them, then it would just be 18 minus 3, that'd be 15. But in this case, we want to include both of them, and that's why you add the 1 at the end, which the reasoning being that it's equivalent to minusing 2.